Welcome back, everyone, to our 5th episode of ECTV Tries, where we undergo a new adventure every week. I'm Abigail Lindsay.
I'm Phillip. We're your tries for the week. And as always, we haven't been told what we're going to be doing today, but we were given a hint.
And I'm your third and final trier for the week, Jake Moser. The information we were told about today's challenge is how good are you at folding paper? That being said, guys, what do we think it's going to be?
I have a feeling it's something origami related or paper airplane, something like that.
Yeah, I was also getting an origami vibe. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Hear me out.
Okay.
It could be like a fall craft, you know? We're like in the fall time, so...
Either way, I'm not going to do well on this.
Yeah, I'm not good at folding paper.
See, personally, I think we're going to have a bunch of brochures that we have to fold.
Like free labor, free
Yes,
labor.
yes.
We're
definitely.
just doing work for just...
How many can you put out in a certain amount of time?
Oh, boy.
This is like Orcom. Remember
Yes.
when we
Oh,
talked about the
yes.
different stuff?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, God, that was such a fun time.
I think it was a great time.
It was
personally.
interesting.
Okay, so I think it's time to find out what our task is for tonight. So, Patches, without further ado.
All right, it is. With 5 minutes on the clock, create an origami piece, and whoever has the best one wins. So yeah, as I said, I'm doomed.
Oh no. Well, I will say, it was when I took video production and we had to do the demonstrations, I made a origami butterfly. Joanna was the director, and my thing I did for her was that. But that's also been a couple years now, so.
I hate to break it to you guys, but my only origami expertise does come in the form of making hot dogs versus hamburger buns.
Yeah, same.
So look,
I don't
if we're
know what
going
I'm
off
doing
of that,
with this thing right now.
it's going to be absolutely fantastic. I'm going to win by a landslide. I don't know.
I'm making like a whack airplane. So.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Beautiful.
Well, that sucked. All right.
All right, well, we'll be right back. We just have to set up for the task.
Well, we all have our materials, so I think with 5 minutes on the clock, we're gonna jump in.
All right, let's do this. So we also have scissors and instructions. So let's see how this mess goes. I'm doing a turtle.
I'm assuming the clock.
That's a turtle?
Yeah, mine's meant to be a turtle whenever it's done.
Oh, I did not think it was supposed to be a turtle.
I'm doing an iris for anyone who.
An iris?
It says
Is that a
iris.
flower?
It looks like a flower, yeah.
It does. I think it's a flower.
What?
I'm doing an elephant. So.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I just don't think this is.
So how
quite
much
right.
experience do all of you have with doing these thingy-jiggies?
None.
The most experience I have comes from, just as Abby had mentioned, our OrgCom class from.
Last year?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm aware.
That's about as much knowledge as I've got.
Oh, sick. Okay, so I feel like we're all on a pretty even.
I think as a kid I tried to learn it, but I never did it well.
No, dude, no way.
Oh, I definitely did something wrong. I think I'm already
Well.
lost. Fold to make creases
Wait,
and
what?
fold,
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my goodness.
fold into
Oh.
creases.
I see, says the blind man.
I'm confused already.
I'm mildly confused.
Thank you, Siri.
It says to do something like this.
Oh wait.
Oh, there we go.
Oh wait.
That makes
Look at
sense.
me so rough already.
Okay.
Like that?
Oh, I
Flippity-doo.
think I done messed up.
And then...
You already messed up.
Ta-da!
How's this supposed to
I don't know.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to look.
It's so
Origami is hard.
What did you just say?
Origami is hard, Jake.
I'm
Okay,
I'm
yeah, that
at
sounds-
an utter loss.
That checks out already.
I-
You guys gotta
Fold
step your
in
game
the
up.
creases.
You gotta step your game
Fold,
up.
make creases.
Open the pocket from
Dang.
arrow.
I'm gonna...
Ooh.
Yeah, probably something like...
What's everyone else doing?
I'm on
I'm doing
step
great
7.
already.
I'm still on step 3.
You're
Well,
doing great.
I'm not doing well.
Sounds like a user issue, personally.
It's it comes down
Skill
to
issue?
user error.
Yeah.
I
Oh, Jesus, I already messed up.
I don't know
Fold
which
to make-
side is meant
fold to make creases and fold back. Okay, that's what I did.
Yeah, that's what it's telling me to do, but I
Fold
don't know
in the
which
creases.
side it wants.
Ooh.
Ooh?
That's why it sounds like it wants me to do this.
Ruh-roh. This is
Ruh-roh, Raggy.
ruh-roh.
I feel like everyone's just watching me struggle.
They're watching all of us struggle.
I don't know what you guys are talking about. I'm doing great right now.
All right, Jake, no need to rub it in.
Yeah, what can I say? Wait.
It's
Okay.
not helping. Me looking at the instructions, is not helping at all.
It's not going
Like, this
to.
is what I have. This is what it's looking like.
Oh, I moved the table forward. My apologies.
How dare you?
Oh, Jesus. Okay. Open.
Like,
I
dude,
think something like
Fold the
that.
dotted line, which I did. Okay.
I think what I had earlier was the right track.
So I
It
think
could
I
be.
Well,
Corner up to make pockets.
It was like this. Okay.
My brother in Christ, what are you? What is this
I
one
don't
Oh.
know what I'm doing.
from? I gotta like.
Hoping I did this right.
This ain't good already.
I think I accidentally tore my pit. What?
It's a 10.
That's cheating.
No, it's not.
You have to follow the instructions
I
just
did.
like the rest of us.
And then I'm using my abstract mind. I can't get past step 3.
Whose fault is
Can we
that?
switch?
All right. Okay. Let's go.
No, actually, can we switch fully?
Jeez. All right. God, man, this is
Step were you
ridiculous.
on?
I was like roughly on 5 and 6. This is ridiculous.
Guys, look how far I am.
Abby, you can't follow the simple instructions?
I don't
Did
understand.
you even
I
read?
can't.
So, okay, the one I'm getting stuck on is the fold in the creases.
Yes.
And then it makes this like little like, what is that?
It's the little like the diamond part in the middle. It's not that hard. I don't know how you're not reading instructions and understanding. Okay, it's folds,
Uh-oh. I keep ripping my paper,
and
which
then
is not
after you're
promising.
done, flip over, fold to make creases, and fold back. Yeah, that's not. I don't know where you were getting messed up, bro.
That is not what I was supposed to do.
See, and then you have to fold it like
What?
this. It wants you to fold again.
Oh.
Can you not read?
No, because then
This is really rough. This is
I'm
wow.
not good. Does anyone know how much time we have?
Like probably 2 minutes.
2 minutes or 10 minutes?
It said 2 because
Oh,
we
I
didn't
was
have
like-
10 to start.
Okay.
I think I've given up, everyone. I'm not gonna lie.
That was fast.
Oh no, what's it like?
That I
this
gave
now?
up.
Yes.
I'm trying
Yeah,
my best.
that's pretty rough. Well, your best ain't good enough. Hate to break it to you.
How do I go from
Okay.
here?
Dude, I'm cooking at this right now.
No,
You're-
I think
I don't
you
know.
did something wrong.
I didn't do anything wrong. Don't you dare.
Lift the
Don't you
corner
dare.
up to make.
Don't you dare accuse me.
Oh wait, fun fact while we're sitting here talking.
Oh, Jesus.
I
Uh-oh.
passed the
It's not
J
gonna be-
truck on the way here, everyone. The one that's sitting abandoned.
Oh.
It is most definitely not abandoned anymore. They have opened her back up. And she's working.
Do you think they'll have
And it
two
has
trucks?
it has chicken wings. Chicken wings and chili cheese dogs.
All I'm hearing is chili cheese fries.
Well, you heard it here first, everyone, that they are using it for athletics. So, but I didn't know it was gonna have different items.
I don't know how to go from here. Hey Jake, you're a genius at this. Do you want to help me out real fast?
Oh, cut with
With
a pair
what?
of scissors.
What do you
I want to cut with the scissors. Who has the
Oh, there we go. It says here, Jake. Look,
Yeah. Yep.
I'm on step. I got to step 7. Fine. It's 8 that
Yep.
I'm now confused at. Look at this. I tried to go and I don't know what I'm doing.
You have to fold.
Oh, I think I
actually,
cut
no, I
its
don't.
snout off.
Oh man,
I cut your elephant snout off.
bro, why'd you have to do Humphrey like that, bro?
You named him
Humphrey?
Humphrey.
Yes, yes, dude. His name is Humphrey. Please respect my son. Thank you very much.
Of course. I apologize for disrespecting Humphrey.
Yeah, yeah. As a matter of fact, you are. Oh my God.
He's a little thick boy. I don't know how to.
A little thick boy.
I don't know how to slim him down. Like, he looks very slim in here, and right now he's not.
What'd you do to my son, bro?
Well, I accidentally like. Where's the pen?
Um,
No, no. Give me my pen back.
I'm gonna get some. This is what I have so
Yeah.
far, everyone. This is what he's looking like.
that is
I'm gonna give him
rough.
some eyeballs.
Mine is a square.
Oh Jesus. Oh, actually.
What? Lift up the corner
Well,
to
he
make
looks kind of
pockets?
scary. It's gonna give me nightmares.
Oh, go back here. Let's see. Open and
Oh man.
Did you
I
do
just,
it?
I totally made an audible. I made a fox. Yep.
What? Let me see this.
Yep.
That is
it's
not a fox.
This is a
Why
fox.
is there a tongue and
His
a
name
smiley
is
face on the bottom?
Fitzgerald.
Oh, Fitzgerald.
Yeah,
Interesting.
Fitzgerald the fox. Thank you very much. If anybody's gonna walk away with anything being made, it's gonna be me because guess
Oh
what?
my gosh, I'm slaying this right now. Look. He's
How are
got
you?
little feet now. Right here, right here. Yes, look.
Would you rather have Fitzgerald or Humphrey?
I don't know
He's got a
what's
little
going
tail
on.
that
I just
sticks
want to
out.
make my turtle.
This is rough. Oh, I gotta make the eyes bigger. Oh, this is rough.
I'm gonna give it's eyelashes.
Bro, Humphrey do not have eyelashes, bro.
Well, now he does.
No.
Do elephants have little like nostrils?
Yeah, maybe, I don't know.
Have you ever seen an elephant with like,
Not in
little
person.
tusks?
Oh, we gotta wrap up.
No.
Oh.
Well, that's unfortunate, but
That is unfortunate. I'm gonna draw on mine real fast because I wanted
Judges
to.
is still working with his producers.
Yeah, we'll
We'd
let-
like a little bit. We're requesting a little bit.
I
more
just want to
time.
draw, just like a minute to
We're
draw.
requesting some more time.
all right. Well, Abby, how do you feel like yours went?
I think I'm good.
Even though you stole it from me?
I didn't steal it. You voluntarily gave it.
No, you said, can we switch? And I knew you were gonna complain if I didn't.
No.
Yes, you were.
I don't complain.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm gonna cut this like
you
extra-
complain all the time.
extra
Oh.
back off.
All the time.
We blame the senioritis.
We
The
do.
senioritis.
We do blame the
Yes.
senioritis.
Once you have it, it's
You can't get rid of
Alright,
it.
I
Yeah.
finished my art.
Okay. Oh, I can't.
There we go.
Okay. Should we compare? A little compare and
Sure.
contrast.
All right, here we go. Here's my turtle.
Okay.
I gave him a little face, a shell, and he
Oh,
says
you even,
turtle
like,
on the
put
side.
design on the back.
Yeah, it also says
Wow.
turtle on the side. If I can get it in the camera. Nah, it ain't gonna show.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, I
And,
think mine's the best. Jake?
Okay. Okay. Well, let's see Abby's. Let's see Abby's.
Let's
So
see.
this is my elephant, everyone.
Mhm.
He has like little feet. And you
Mhm.
can see his little tail sticking out back there. He's got this little snout thing going on.
That just looks like a really sad attempt at an elephant.
Oh, let's see yours then.
Yeah, let's see your abomination.
Here we go. We got
What?
this is my fox. This is Fitzgerald. He's got a little. You can't see it. It's really rough, but he's got a little mouth, little tongue sticking out. He's got the eyes up top, and he looks like an actual fox. So
No.
yes, he does.
No,
bro.
I
Yes,
like
he does.
foxes. That ain't a fox.
Have you ever seen the face of a fox?
Yeah,
This is
that
literally
is not the
this
face
is
of a
literally the
fox.
face of a fox.
I think we need the producer to come in and decide.
We do. We do.
Miss Producer Lady, where are you? We want your opinion. I went. I knew it.
Do you see this?
Mr. Turtle wins.
Legs. It
I
has
gave him legs.
He don't have legs, bro. What is that
Those
face?
are legs, so he.
Have you ever seen a
face.
turtle that looks like that, bro?
Yes,
I'm a
all of
winner in
them.
My own heart.
This is ridiculous. This is.
I think
absolutely
I
ridiculous.
win.
I think somebody was bribed beforehand.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, you
Either
do.
way, thank you for watching the 5th episode of ECTV Tries. Keep an eye out for next week's episode. I'm Phillip Patches.
And I'm Abigail Lindsay.
And I'm Jake Moser, and you're watching ECTV Tries. Thanks for joining us.